Alright, everybody. Savage Granny here. What's in the big box? This box is from Model 1s. And so let's open this big box and see what is in here, y'all, okay? Wow, I am so excited. Alright. We have pink polygel. And we have clear polygel, and this is 15 gram for both of these. And then we have our brush. Take this out. So here's the spatula side and the brush side. And it says Model 1s on there. It's very nice. And we have our base coat. Let's see. This is the Model 1's top coat. And then this is Chameleon. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. And this is just a regular. Wow. This is on there. I can't get that off of there. Let's try some of the others. This is a glitter one. And this one I can get open. That's very pretty. That one I can't get open. There's white. This looks like a wine color. That's pretty. Well, I'm going to have my husband help me with those. Wow, I can't get those. Alright, looky here. We've got some swatch things. Let's see. 1, 2. Well, I can open it here. This kit just comes with everything, doesn't it? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 on this one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 on the others here. I don't know why this one has one missing. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. This in here. And we get a little nail brush. And oh, there's another little nail brush. This is a little hard nail brush. These are removal dedicated. This is UV gel cleanser and removal dedicated. So we've got two different type of stuff. Removal dedicated and UV gel cleanser. And then, oh, we've got some powder. And we've got our little toe separators. And we have some crystals. See those. And we've got some glitters. Oh my goodness. Look at how gorgeous. There's another. Look at that. Those are super gorgeous. And then, so here's, oh, there's a coupon. And this is 24-hour customer service. And then this must be instructions. It's in English. But we have some stickers or decals here. And these are very, very pretty. Add nail artwork. So this is pretty much an all-in-one type kit here. Looks to me like. Here is a set of dual forms. And this thumb on here looks like it is really big. So that would definitely fit larger you know, hands. Let me open this powder. There we go. Wow, finally. Shoot. And it comes with the applicator. Oh, this is hollow. This is gonna be gorgeous. Let's see how much product we get in this little container. Not much. Not much. It's not like the other powders you get that are pretty full. I don't guess they want to give you a lot of hollow. Well, that's what everybody wants too. And we have this bag of tools. Wow, this is awesome. Look at this. Alright. So we've got this 800 3000 file, so it's a buffer. 800 3000. Then we've got a 180. Oh, that's nice, thick. Washable, disinfectable file. And then we've got a nice set of like needle nose tweezers. And we've got our cuticle pusher. And this is also for cuticles. Oh, and we have some clippers. That's nice. A set of clippers. And this is cuticle oil. Cuticle revitalizing oil. So you get one of those cuticle pins. Let's see if it smells. Not really. So you get a nice cuticle pin also, and we have something else left in here. A new lamp. Look at this. Okay. This is a Nature Plus 5 48 watt lamp. Okay, and it has the instructions in there. And we're going to plug this booger in and make sure she works. Detachable. Plugs in the back. And so it's 60 seconds, 30 seconds. There's the on-off switch. Looky there. And this is low heat mode half. Does it have the sensor? right there. It's got the sensor where you put your hand in. Man, that is sweet. Look at that, y'all. Just nice as pie. Let's see if this is big enough to put both. You can put both hands in here. You may want to cure the thumbs separate, but yeah, you could put both hands in here. This is really, really nice. Really nice, y'all. And I'm going to have to pause because I'm going to have to go get my husband. And then I'll have him open these up that way. I just don't have the strength to open these up, y'all, okay? And I'll show you those, and then we'll swatch all these colors. And we know what the pink and the clear polygel looks like, but we'll swatch all these colors. I do want to check this out right quick, this thumb. Because I can see it from here, and it looks very large. Yeah, looky there. Looky there. Yeah. That's a very large. So if you have, this is bigger than what I even need. So if you have large hands, do not worry. This is going to fit. This is going to fit. This is bigger than what I even need. So, it looks like it comes with a great variety of sizes. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and upload this video, y'all, and watch for my next one to be the swatches and all that. Remember, Granny loves you.